Yeah, it looks like I'm pretty slow. So I would start with the challenge. So this is going to be a series where I would be solving some lead code question, and there would be three questions from each section that would be easy, medium, or hard. And then the question's difficulty would increase with each question. I would be using a random function to select the question. So I would use this random number picker. Yeah, and I would get 10 minutes for each easy question and 20 minutes for medium and 30 for hard. I would get 5 attempts to submit the answer. So yeah, if any question is wrong or time is lost, then either end stream if no subscriber joined, or take a dare based on a wheel. So at the moment no subscriber are there, so I would end the stream immediately. Yeah, not immediately. I would be also looking at the solution of the problem and discuss it with you, or try to understand it myself as well. Hints can be given in the chat, but no answers. But at the moment nobody is in the stream, so it doesn't really matter. So let's see. Yes, it should be visible. So yeah, how much of a stream delay is there? I don't know. But now let's start the challenge. I guess the screen is visible. Uh, okay, let's generate. Okay, I got 3. So as you can see, I got the third question, and all these questions have not been solved prior, so I don't know how to solve these questions. So I would be looking at the easy questions first. So +1 is the question that I need to solve. So let's just go there. Uh, okay, so the question is as follows. You're given a large integer represented as an integer array digits, where each digits, oh sorry, I shouldn't have started it. Firstly, there needs to be a timer. Yeah, I've started the timer. Now, I would also use JavaScript. Did I also discuss whether I cannot use internet or not? Let's see. Where is it? Where is it? Okay. I think I have not written it. So there is also one more uh, thing I needed to add. I can search for functions uh, from internet, but not the question itself. Oh, sorry, I have written it. Hints can be given in chat, but no answers. This was already been written. So you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits, where each digit I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer doesn't contain any leading zeros. Okay. Increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of digits. So we have digits 1, 2, 3. The array represents the integer 1, 2, 3. Incrementing by 1 gives 1, 2, 4. Then 4, 3, 2, 1. The array representation would be as follows: 9, then 1, 0. So it is a bit tricky. So at first you can see, let's just open a whiteboard. What I am thinking, I would be sharing my thoughts. At first it looked like very easy question, where there is a digits, and I just uh, need to make it big, like sorry, increase the value by just one. So 1 2 3 could be used, but now I got the crux of the problem that it's not entirely that simple. Like for example, there could be 1 2 as well as 3, and in order to solve this problem, I just need to make it 1 2 4, and I can make it pretty easy by just adding 1 to the last element. Uh, but the problem here is the question that said you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits where each digit I is the ith digit of the integer. The digits are ordered from most significant to least significant in left to right order. The large integer doesn't contain any leading zeros. So the large integer doesn't contain any leading zero. So there won't be zeros prior to it, prior to the last element. So we have 9, so 1 0 would be there. So for this, we can have multiple approaches, but my approach would be I would convert this into a number. Why am I doing it? I don't know. And converting it into a number, and afterwards converting it, adding 1 and converting it back into an array. So this should be easy. Let's see whether I would be able to do it or not. So we can make var. I think I would use let uh, number equals to. So I would map through the digits. I would map through that, and maybe I could use digits dot map in some certain sense. So how can I make it? Uh, in order to make this, okay, let's just firstly make a logic for it. Logic for it. I can just make it at first. Let's just make it 0 and digits for let I equals 0. I should be less than digits dot length I plus plus. Okay, so I would be doing it while there was digits, while let temporary equals to digits. So while there is temporary, I would be doing it temporary equals to the digits is an array. So I should start from the back, from for let I equals to digits dot length minus 1. Okay, and then I should be greater than equal to 0, I plus plus, I minus minus. So now what will happen? It would go from back and come again. So it would happen like that, but also I do need to increase the value as well. So depending upon the value. So also let's see the timings. Okay, 3 minutes 24 3 seconds. I'm losing the battle. Okay. So what I would be doing is I would number plus equal to the digit of I into 10 power. So power function in JS. Let's see, method.pow. Okay, method.pow. Method.pow is being used. So math.pow 10 comma digits.length minus digits.length digits.length minus digits.length. Sorry, I minus digits.length, I minus no minus I. So this and at first it would be 0, so minus of 1 should also be there because this contains plus 1, I guess. Minus I is 0, so this should work. This should work. This should make the numbers okay. So we can just console.log and be our number. Let's just run the code first. This would produce an error. Output is undefined. Okay, number. Why output is undefined? NUMB a number. This is the lead. Okay. That's a number. Num is better. Let's just use num. Numbers is num as well as num, that it should work. I think because of number, let's see, yeah, 0 1 2 3. So 1 2 3, I got 1 2 3. What about the last one? So it ran like how many times did it run? So digits.length is 3 minus 1 2 and 0 1 2, so it should run 3 times. So what I did, number plus, okay, I added 0. Okay, so 0 plus equal to this results in, okay, so time is over. I lost, but yeah, but what's happening? How to close it? I don't know how to end it. Yeah, dismiss. Okay, so that I do need to solve this question, so I can solve it in some or the other way. So number I'm adding and multiplying with the power. So 10. Oh, the problem was this. With the power, if I just do it and then console.log and convert it into number, then how much is 1 2 3. So this is the thing, and after that num plus 1, just do this and convert it into for let I equals 0. Okay, so it has numbers, so in order for it to work, I require this digits are temporary. Result equals to this for while nums is present. While number is there, I would take the mod. Okay, num result dot append. I guess there is append method. append in list array in JS. I think this should work. There is push. There's push. Yeah, push method is there. So I need to use push method. Let's just use push method here. So number modulo 10 I would be doing, and num just division equal to 10. I think it should be 2 times. Okay, can't do it like that. Math.c int करना पड़ेगा. So num equals to num divided by 10, and this should be integer. Should work. Cast into integer in JS parse and number. So number. Load into int in. Let's just convert it. Math.round is better method. Here what will happen if I divide it by modulo? It's good, but if I divide by 10, like it's 40 and I divide it by 10, so I would get 4. So math.ceil is not the thing. Math.floor is better. Num divided by 10. This should work. Let's see is it working or not. And that last return result. Let's see. Okay, push. I cannot click the submit button more than 5 times, so it was a thing. Okay, okay. The problem was, and expected output num plus 1. Okay, that's interesting. Why didn't output? That looks good, but I added plus 1. So just console.log number and numb, and if I just see that, one, 2, 3, why it didn't add anything? Plus equal to 1, yeah, plus equal to 1. Oh, problem streaming. Again, let's see. While num. Okay, cool. So I kind of need to insert. Okay, maybe just reverse it. Result dot reverse. How to reverse? There's not like -1. Reverse array in JS. Array reverse is a method. Fruits dot reverse. So reverse would work as fine. Result dot reverse. It should work. I'll just see it. Time to submit. Let's see. Okay. Input output is different. Everything else was same apart from the last numbers. That's interesting. 6145. Let's see console log. Console.log numb number with this digit. See, test case, and Okay, so number can't hold this much of value. I didn't thought about that. The number of words is big. Like after 5 0 0 0 it did, but it was 4 3 4 1 5 3 9 0 1 9 0 1 9 5. Everything else was there, but after a certain point it can't do that. How can we make it? Uh, this was a brute force approach, so it did work till an extent. But for this, I need to do something. So, in order to make it hold more than it, how to allow how to allow vary numbers yes to hold more than 20 length, like sort of thing. After that, why it became 0, I have no idea. That was math power. I used to add it. This should work. This should work. But afterwards, 6628. Why 6628? That was random number. What? Like I started out with 0000. So when you would divide by 0, so it should have given 0. But why didn't give it 0? First, console.log can't actually show maybe 05000. Here was 06628. There was 05543. Okay, let number integers. Is there any better way? There must be better way. Like adding directly onto the integer's last element and then based on the carry. So 9 से 10 हो सकता है. From 30 to 39 to 40. And if it's 99, then yeah. At max, the size of the integer of the array would just become one more. So that would actually be better. So let's just go and increase the value while, okay, carry. At first, carry, let carry equals to 0. Okay, for while there is a carry, okay, at max, what could be the carry? We just had to increase 1. So carry could be 1 or 0. At first, that is true. I think it should be a boolean. True. And then carry, if it becomes false, then we would do it. So just add digits. Last one, I require length of digits dot length -1, the last digit. And then after getting the last digit, what I need to do, I need to add 1 to it plus equal to 1. So I would increase the value by 1. And if it's greater than 9, if digits then so I would start with add j, let j equals to digits length -1. Okay, I would start with that, and we would have j as well. So j, what will it do? If it is greater than 9, then carry equals to true, and digit of j would be division equal to 10. So like 11, and modulo would be used. Modulo. This would be doing, and then this would continue, like there is a carry, then we would get it, and j would be j minus minus. So it would be increased, and at last, after all of this, if the carry still persists, so also if that is else, then carry is equals to false. And if carry is true, which means carry still persists and we have gone to the last element, then we just need to increase it by 1. So we want the first number to be added is 1. Insert into array at start in JS. Use unshift. Let's just use unshift, control F. Add an element to the beginning, use unshift can, yeah, cool. Where is it? Unshift digits dot unshift 1. Return digits. I don't know whether it would work or not, but let's just see it. First 0. So I just added, like here carry was true, digits dot length plus equal to 1, that's 10. 10 is greater than 9, so carry is true. Cool. Carry is true. Digits j modulo 10 is 9. The digit became 9 for the particular thing. Okay. And again 9 j minus minus kiya, and j should be greater than 0. So I'm just doing it again. Let's see. Okay, last one. 1 and 9. So it worked. Look. After getting it, after increasing it, like 9, it is greater. So this modulo should give you, so it gave 9. Why did it give 9? A j plus equal to 1. If you log it out, you would get something. And then if it is greater than 9, just modulo of 10. Console.log digits j modulo 10. Let's see. And close and put output expected. So it never ran. This block never ran. It was always 0. It was made plus equal to 1. J became plus equal to 1. Why? Is there any save or something? Let's see again. if the digits of j is greater than 9, which it is. Hmm. uh, console.log digits digits of j, just j. Let's see. Okay, input, output, expected, but I think it's not even running this. Okay, carry is true. J should be greater than 0, greater than equal to 0. Okay, this should be good. Yeah, it worked. So let's just wind it up. Console.log. Submitted. This is my second try, so I'm hopeful. Okay, finally, the answer is done. How much of time it did it took? I'm not quite sure from how long I'm streaming. Okay, that was great streaming, guys. See you soon and keep coding. Bye.